How to set up a payout account on Facebook without TIN number. So you can set up a payment and payout account on Facebook for things like in-stream ads, Reels bonuses, stars, and etc. without a TIN. But it depends on your country's tax requirements and Facebook verification process. So when Facebook will ask for a TIN, and if your payout country is in the Philippines, they require a TIN for individual or business accounts to comply with local tax laws. So if you select another payout country where you have a bank account, like the US, via Pioneer or another supported region, you may be able to skip entering a Philippine TIN. So if you don't have a TIN, you can register as an individual, no business, and submit a W-8 bank. So in monetization, go to the payout settings, choose individual, select the country as payout country, then when asked for tax information, choose W-8BEN form for non-US residents. Then you can leave the TIN or the foreign tax ID blank, but Meta might uphold with up to 30% of your earnings for US tax compliance. Then you can use Pioneer or another supported payment processor. So you can create a Pioneer account, link it to Facebook, in payout settings, choose a payout country, and then bypass the Facebook's direct Philippine tax requirement. And temporarily, you can use a relative's TIN if you're okay with payouts going under their name.